Just like we're ready.
Welcome to Puerto Los Cabos, the epitome of luxury coastal living. Today, we're showcasing a truly remarkable property, Casa Escareño. With its warm hacienda-style architecture and panoramic views, this home offers the perfect blend of charm, comfort, and luxury. As soon as you arrive at Casa Escareño, you're greeted by timeless Mexican hacienda-style architecture, a design that exudes warmth and sophistication. From the handcrafted details to the lush landscape, every inch of this property is a testament to exceptional craftsmanship. Casa Escareño isn't just beautiful, it's practical too. With a 4-car garage, solar panels, and a backup generator, this home offers peace of mind alongside its luxurious features. Step inside and you'll immediately feel the warmth of this home. The spacious living room feels amazing with features like high beam ceilings, large windows that flood the space with natural light, and traditional Mexican touches that make this home truly unique. This open floor plan seamlessly connects the living room and the dining room and the kitchen areas, making it perfect for entertaining. This formal dining room is ideal for hosting family gatherings or dinner parties with plenty of space and views that create unforgettable ambiance. Wow, the heart of Escareño is the gourmet kitchen, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and a spacious island. It's a chef's dream. Whether you're preparing a family meal or catering a large gathering, this kitchen can handle it. And just imagine cooking with that view, just perfection. You guys got to see this master bedroom. Come with me. Casa Escareño offers 5 spacious bedrooms, each designed with comfort and style in mind. Let's start with the master suite here. A serene retreat with incredible views, plenty of space, and direct access to the outdoor patio. And now let's go check out the ensuite bathroom. This ensuite bathroom is nothing short of luxurious, featuring high-end finishes, absolutely exquisite. Each bedroom has its own unique charm, ensuring that every guest or family member has a private and comfortable space to enjoy. Let's go check out the outdoor space. This outdoor space is where Casa Escareño truly shines, with a sparkling blue pool, relaxing jacuzzi, and a spacious patio. This is the perfect spot to soak up the Cabo sun. Okay, let's go check out the barbecue and fire pit area. Wow, this is awesome. There's also a fully equipped outdoor barbecue kitchen and a pizza oven, ideal for hosting unforgettable gatherings. Okay, and check out this amazing fire pit area. And when the sun sets, gather around this beautiful fire pit, enjoy a magical evening. Casa Escareño is located in Puerto Los Cabos, one of the most desirable communities in Los Cabos. Residents enjoy exclusive world-class amenities, including a beach club, golf, spa, tennis courts, and more. Plus, Puerto Los Cabos club memberships are available. You'll have access to even more luxury and convenience. Not only is Casa Escareño a dream home, but it's also a smart investment with strong rental potential and unbeatable location. This property offers an incredible opportunity for both personal enjoyment and financial growth. Casa Escareño truly has timeless charm, modern luxury, and breathtaking views. If you're ready to make this incredible property your own, contact us today to schedule your private tour. Don't wait long because the opportunity on Casa Escareño is not going to last long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in Cabo.